Yes, I can't believe it, but it's here again, the holiday season. Let's do some simple sewing together, and I'm excited to introduce a new ready-to-sew kit with a ridiculously cute fabric line. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing and crafts fun and approachable. It feels like I just had this manatee Christmas sweater on like 5 minutes ago, but apparently it's been an entire year. With everything going on, we could use a little distraction and some peace. A while back, I took a poll about what type of product offerings you wanted, and I got a very mixed response. Some of you wanted already cut out pieces of fabric, others wanted to buy yardage. So this year's kit will be a hybrid of both. This is everything included right here. You'll receive enough supplies to make 2 different sewing projects. 2 lined drawstring bags with a contrasting casing and a giant scrunchie for people like me with very thick hair. I'll be doing sew-along tutorials, so you can purchase a kit now and we can sew together this holiday season. The finished size of the drawstring bags is about 7.5 by 7.5 inches for the version with boxed corners. There's also an option to make a flat bag that's a little quicker. 1/2-inch twill tape is included for the bag project, as well as 1/4-inch elastic for the scrunchie, and a bobbin holder that's used as a tool in the videos. Again, the fabric will literally come already cut out and ready to sew. The fabrics I'm using are from Figo Fabrics Peppermint Collection, from designer Dana Willard of Made Every Day. I selected my 3 favorite prints: white Christmas gift bows, light pink beaded garland, and pink geometric triangles. There's a few pieces in a solid white used for lining and casing. Because some of you wanted yardage, each kit also includes a fat quarter bundle of all 3 peppermint prints. Hopefully this gives you flexibility in using the fabric, and besides just the 2 projects dictated by the kit pieces, I'll be using the peppermint collection for other fat quarter friendly projects to provide ideas and inspiration. You will need to provide your own sewing machine, thread, and basic supplies like pins, marking pens, and iron and whatnot. If you don't have some of these items, you can also pick these up in the Sewing Report Etsy shop. The holiday sewing kits are currently priced at $29. They're only available to ship within the United States. Shipping is not included with these, but my shop offers free shipping with orders $35 and up, so you can pad your order with another item or 2 to get there. And to get things going, I'm running a special promotion. For the first 10 customers who purchase the holiday sewing kit and spend a total of $60 or more in their order, you'll get free shipping, plus one of these air-soluble marking pens that are definitely a Sewing Report favorite here. But wait, there's more. You'll also receive this very snazzy Sewing Report notebook. There are a limited number of holiday sewing kits available. When they're gone, they're gone. You can find a link to buy one down below in the description box. And a special shout out to my broke friends out there. You do not have to buy a sewing kit to participate in the holiday sew-along. The video tutorials will have all the fabric measurements so you can use up what you have in your own fabric stash. These will be scrappy projects, beginner-friendly, and relatively quick to make. If you find yourself here and you don't know anything about sewing, that's okay too. I encourage you to check out my Learn to Sew series featuring the Brothers CS7000i to nail down the basics. Thank you all for watching and supporting me throughout the year. I'm looking forward to getting into the holiday spirit during the last few months. So come join me for some Christmas cheer and let's get sewing. Stay tuned for those sew-along videos and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report, and remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.